So uh, before all of so some time ago it was just some brush pack, big brush collection, big pose collection where you can just pick your like pose, tap it on the screen and start to like edit it. But now we redesigned the whole idea. Instead of just giving the thousands of poses like in MBR format, we decided to split them to the parts. Like, for example, we decided to delete some brushes which was like very had which had like a very draft uh, quality, since they guys that they don't need to be perfect. Like, if we need to understand the shape of our like character, we need to just um, understand the understand the structure. We don't need to like this line to be like uh, perfectly lined or something like that. So it was our idea, and that's why we leave them in the way they was in our brush pack. But now it's in the past. We updated. We leave only best quality brushes in the brush packs, and then we like create uh, something called study toolkits, like pose study toolkits or anatomy study toolkit. It's just regular big size image where we can like simply see different types of poses, anatomy parts, or like everything you need to build your character, starting basics. Like you can use it as your guide set, as your guide image. You can, as you can see, we leave like some kind of empty space here to which is the concept study space where you can just not to copy or paste something, or you can just practice here. Like it's empty space, and you can start looking at this reference, using these images as a reference, and starting to study your like self-study. It's very nice to for beginners, and also not only the beginners. The point is that you also can use them like as ready forms, or for example, if you need to draw uh, some clothes concept, you can just have this uh, toolkit with some. Also, I forgot to say that we have some different kind of toolkits. It's nine. It has 9 parts. Every part has their unique style. For example, this is something called cartoon style, where you can like understand quick shapes of cartoon character. And the second part you can see is like man fighting poses, where or like a regular man anatomy. You can just overdraw, like overpaint, like in another layer, starting to use it as you need. It can be useful for very different purposes. So for example, if I need to like quick sketch and show my customer like something like like armors or stuff I need, I can just quick overpaint it, like already form which we gonna um, leave here, or I don't know, very different purposes. So guys, it's very flexible stuff. And of course, brush sets. We will also leave like very we gonna leave a very high quality brushes instead of like thousands of uh, brushes which has no um, kinds. We leave here only good qualities, only useful qualities, which you can just use as you wish. Uh, Here we gonna like have not only poses, also we're gonna have like study step-by-step structures. For example, like in this part 2, we can easily, like using this kit, we just tapping on the screen, we already have our ready like form of women. We can just start developing our characters, clothes or armors or anything you need. Or so, for example, if you're a specialized concept artist, it will just save your time. If you're a beginner, you can just use it to study. For example, leave it here and start to study by copying like some parts of it, and etc. So in this case, we will gonna leave, as I told, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 brush packs. You can see here like all of the naming of future brushes, and understand how it's gonna look. Also, we will have like JPEG files, big size JPEG files, which you can use for study or for other purposes as you wish. Just overpaint it, or I don't know, maybe you want just fast showcase something to your customer or something, I don't know. So it is our update that I wanted to share with you by reading and understanding of the whole feedbacks and the whole misunderstandings that we have got from our customers for a long time, where they told us to discuss to change something to make this product more useful. So here we are. I hope it will be useful. It will be much better to use, much more helpful, and etc. etc.